it's me, Robin, with Simple Food, Simple Life. I just got back from Dollar General. I wanted to show you what I bought today. I went in to pick up a few things and also go down the dollar aisle because I really like to check out the dollar aisle. It's a kind of a drizzly, rainy day here in Iowa. It's overcast, and why should I wait till it's a nice sunny day to go somewhere? I'll just do it when it's yucky. Doesn't that make sense? How the heck are you today? I'm doing good. All right, this is what I picked up. I like to go down the dollar aisle and see what there is available. So this is what I got. When I see the vitamin C, bottles of vitamin C for $1, I will pick them up. So this time I picked up 2 because I think it's good to keep some vitamin C in stock. And hey, I can't ever have too much, and if I do happen to get too much, I can always give some away. I like this deodorant. It's $1, so I grabbed up an extra one. This Colgate Sparkling White, actually for $1 you get about half again as much as you do with the other smaller ones that they have for $1. So I usually pick this up. And I really like this, the Dental Guru Charcoal White Toothpaste. It's $1, and it's a 3.5 ounce tube. It's really good stuff. So I like to keep some of that in my stash as well. The seeds are still 2 for $1 in Dollar General. I picked up some chives and I picked up some cucumber seeds this time. I bought some previously, so those are going to get planted at some point. Oh, and I happened to see these. These were 23 marked down to 23 cents, and they're lemonade Kool-Aid. Come on now, who doesn't like Kool-Aid? I like Kool-Aid. So I bought them, and I like lemonade. That's probably my favorite. Lemonade and orange is my favorite Kool-Aid. So I picked up 4 of those. This was $1. 10 freezer bags for $1. I don't use that many, and I use them. I reuse them if they've just got dry things in them, and I'll reuse them. I don't care. I'm not proud. These were not in the dollar aisle, but this Clover Valley brand macaroni and cheese was 2 for $1, so I grabbed a couple of those because you never know. The Jiffy corn muffin mix, I was all out of that, so I picked up 2. They were 60 cents each. Oh, and the Zest bars were in the dollar aisle, so that's 2 bars of Zest. It smells nice, and actually most of the time I use bar soap, not the body wash stuff, because bar soap gets you just as clean and as cheaper, especially when you get 2 for $1. So that's going to go in my stash. Oh, the Elbow macaroni was $1. I'm all over that. $1 for Elbow is good, so I did pick up 1. I probably should have got 2, but this is fine. I have other pasta as well. So let's see. Oh, I have not had corned beef hash in, I don't even remember the last time. It's been so long. It's been years. These were $2 a can for the Armour brand. There was another brand there. I don't remember what it was, but it was like $2.85. So no, $2. That's going to go in the pantry. I've got some company coming this weekend, so I grabbed some chips because I am going to make some ham salad, and I always make my ham salad out of bologna. I have a video on that. If you've not seen it, I will put a link below. You can make your own ham salad out of bologna. It's delicious, way cheaper than you can get in the deli. Even though this was about $3 for this pound, it's way cheaper. They had the Smithfield bacon on sale at Dollar General right now. I think it's on until the 2nd of April, $4.95. So I was on that because honestly I haven't seen it that cheap, and that's not cheap, but it's fine. And Smithfield is good. I found this tube of ground turkey at Dollar General. It's $2, and it's cheaper right now than Aldi for ground turkey. So I grabbed one. I'm loving this. It's a 5-pound bag of white rice. $3. Clover Valley brand, Dollar General. $3. So that's going to go down in my food stores. Come on, $3. You can't go wrong with that. 5 pounds rice. It's the gift that keeps on giving. I'm out of brown sugar. I don't even know how that happened, but so I grabbed some. And it was what was this? I don't know, dollar something. I don't know. It had to have been reasonable, otherwise I probably wouldn't have bought it, right? And last but not least, oh, and I did get a birthday card for my great-granddaughter. She's going to be 8 years old. Isn't that exciting? Oh, that's exciting. I got two packages of soft bath tissue. It's True Living brand. Now then, I'm gonna let you in on a little secret in case you don't know. Okay, here's the thing. When you're looking to buy toilet paper, and I know that people have brand loyalties when it comes to toilet paper, me, not so much. I'm just looking for something that's going to do the job and not cost me an arm and a leg in the process. So, this particular one, it says up here that it is it's comparable to Angel Soft bath tissue. So it says 2-ply bathroom tissue. It says 300 sheets per roll. There was another brand there. It was a 6-pack. I think it was $4. 6-pack for $4.50. And it had 224 sheets per roll. So I bought 2 packages of this True Living with 300 sheets per roll for $2 each. So I spent $4. I got 8 rolls with more sheets per roll for 50 cents less on their cheaper stuff. So I'm going to put this down in my food stores. I can, as extra, okay? Because I don't care. You never know when you're going to need some toilet paper. But that's kind of a hint. That may mean nothing to you, but that's how I gauge toilet paper. Now, the quality, that's another thing. Some people are fussy about it. I'm not that fussy. It's just me here most of the time anyway. So, listen, I hope you guys are doing extremely well. In the comments below, let me know what you think. And I will put the video link for the ham salad. I'm going to make some ham salad because my oldest son and granddaughter are coming for an overnight, and he loves ham salad. He likes his mom's ham salad. But I do too, and I've been kind of hungry for it. I saw in another local store they had ham salad on sale at the deli for, it was almost $5 a pound. So no, I am not doing that. I will make my own way cheaper. Okay, I love you guys. You know I do, and keep up the good work. You guys are doing great. I love your comments. And you know what? If some of you who watch the videos are not reading the comments, you should, because there's a lot of great suggestions in there. There's the people who watch Simple Food, Simple Life know a lot of stuff. So you can take advantage of that and get a leg up on, what to do just in case. Okay, I love you guys. And as always, you know that little is much when God is in it. Okay, bye. I'll talk to you later.